Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Cicaplast Balm B5 is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for anyone dealing with irritation, dryness, or post-procedure recovery, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to soothe, repair, and protect compromised skin barriers, making it a versatile staple for a multitude of skin concerns. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and lasting hydration without any fragrance. This face cream works to repair your skin's natural barrier. It's formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to help renew your complexion. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, this moisturizer is for you. It delivers essential hydration without irritation. Experience relief from dryness and discomfort. Its formula ensures your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. Enjoy the benefits of a deeply hydrating moisturizer without any added fragrance. It's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Infused with key ingredients like ceramides and niacinamide, it helps to strengthen and soothe your skin. Achieve a healthier looking appearance. What we like. This moisturizer offers a powerful blend of ceramides and niacinamide to strengthen your skin barrier. It provides immediate comfort and lasting hydration, making it ideal for daily use. If you have normal to sensitive skin and seek a reliable, fragrance-free hydrator, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This moisturizer has been amazing for my skin. It's lightweight but still very hydrating and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy feeling. The redness is reduced by about 20% on day 5. No bumps, itching, or reaction. The lotion is light and easy to apply, absorbs quickly. After just one use I've seen immediate results. I couldn't believe it. I've now used it 3 times and all the dryness is gone, including the flaking skin. My skin has never felt so hydrated and soft, and only 3 uses. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair UV SPF Moisturizer. Introducing a daily moisturizer that does more. It hydrates your skin while providing essential sun protection. This formula helps to repair and replenish your skin's natural barrier. It's designed for daily use to keep your skin healthy and protected. Enriched with niacinamide and glycerin, it soothes and moisturizes effectively. These ingredients work together to improve skin texture and comfort. Enjoy the benefits of a lightweight, oil-free formula that won't clog pores. It feels comfortable on the skin all day long. With SPF 30, it offers broad-spectrum sun protection against harmful UV rays. Make it a part of your morning routine for defense against sun damage. This gentle yet effective moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. Experience comfortable, protected skin every day. What we like. This product combines daily hydration with essential sun protection. Its oil-free formula is enriched with niacinamide and glycerin for moisturizing benefits. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one morning moisturizer with SPF, this is perfect for protecting your skin from sun damage. What people say. Light, oil-free, easily absorbed, no greasy residue, no heavy film, no uncomfortable sticky feeling. The double repair claim is no marketing fluff. My skin's barrier has noticeably improved with continued use. Breakouts have stayed away, irritation is reduced, redness lessens. Another major win is the built-in SPF 30 UVA/UVB protection. So many morning moisturizers require layering with a separate sunscreen, which often leads to pilling or layering issues. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. Discover the healing power of La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. This multi-purpose cream is designed to soothe and repair dry, irritated skin. Formulated for both body and hands, it provides intensive care for compromised skin. It's gentle enough for the whole family. This therapeutic balm acts as a powerful healing ointment. It effectively calms redness and discomfort, promoting skin recovery. Our fragrance-free formula is baby-safe, ensuring gentle care for sensitive skin. You can trust it for your little ones. It helps to restore the skin's natural barrier function. Experience comfort and relief with this essential skincare product. Perfect for anyone dealing with dry or irritated skin. This balm is your reliable solution for everyday skin concerns. What we like. This balm is designed for intense healing and soothing of dry, irritated skin. Its versatile formula is safe for the whole family, including babies. If you suffer from very dry patches, redness, or need a gentle yet effective ointment for recovery, this is the one to reach for. What people say. This balm is a lifesaver for dry, irritated skin. It soothes and repairs, leaving skin feeling comfortable and protected. I love how this balm creates a protective barrier on the skin. It helps to heal minor cuts and scrapes quickly and effectively. The texture of this balm is rich and creamy, but it absorbs well without feeling greasy. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Number 2. Farmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Moisturizer. Introducing a revolutionary moisturizer designed to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Experience the ultimate in skin replenishment. Infused with the natural goodness of buckwheat honey and essential ceramides, this formula works to restore your skin's natural barrier. It's the perfect solution for combating dryness. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. This powerful moisturizer helps replenish lost moisture and strengthens your skin's protective barrier for a healthier complexion. Achieve a visibly plumper, more hydrated look. Its rich texture melts into your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Specifically formulated for those struggling with dry skin, this facial moisturizer provides intense hydration without feeling heavy. Enjoy a comfortable and radiant finish all day long. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine for continuous hydration and a healthy glow. It's the essential step for achieving beautifully moisturized skin. What we like. Infused with buckwheat honey and ceramides, this moisturizer deeply hydrates and helps restore your skin's natural barrier. It's specifically formulated to combat dryness and leave skin feeling plump. If you have dry, thirsty skin and love the nourishing properties of honey, this will be your new go-to. What people say. This cream is super hydrating and soothing on my dry, irritated skin. It wears well under sunscreen and makeup. I use it day and night. The consistency is rich, soft, and smooth, but it blends really nicely into the skin. People with oily skin may want to use it more sparingly, but I think it's suitable for all skin types, especially as a night cream. It makes your skin instantly glowy and hydrated after one use. I have sensitive skin, and it didn't break me out, which is really nice because my skin breaks out from quite a few products. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Discover the power of pure hyaluronic acid. This serum deeply hydrates and visibly plumps your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Enriched with vitamin B5, it helps to soothe and repair your skin's barrier. Experience calmer, more comfortable complexion. Formulated with madecassoside, it provides a calming effect, making it ideal even for sensitive skin types. Say goodbye to irritation. See a noticeable difference as it visibly plumps the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a smoother, more youthful look. This gentle, oil-free formula is designed to be safe for even the most sensitive skin. Enjoy the benefits without compromise. Incorporate this serum into your routine for effective anti-aging benefits. It works to restore your skin's natural radiance and firmness. What we like. This serum is a potent dose of hydration, visibly plumping the skin with pure hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. It's formulated to be gentle enough for sensitive skin while providing anti-aging benefits. If you are looking for a lightweight serum to boost moisture and reduce the appearance of fine lines, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It's a very good moisturizer that works well for dry skin. This balm is great for soothing irritated skin and helping it heal. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.